Just a quick video to show you how easy it is to heat up leftovers in the Instant Pot. I have leftover ham from Christmas. I'm just wrapping it in a couple layers of foil. That doesn't have to be super tight. I'm just gonna kind of cover it a little bit. And then I'm using my 3-quart Instant Pot, my BB-8 that I love so much. I have 1 cup of water on the bottom and then my trivet. I'm just gonna lower this down in here. It'll fit just fine. Pop on the lid, make sure it's on sealing, and I'm just gonna pressure cook it for, I mean, it just depends on what you're cooking. I want it to heat all the way through. It's not really gonna overcook very easily. So I think I will pressure cook it for 3 minutes, and then it'll sit on keep warm mode until it's time to eat dinner. Heating up leftovers in the Instant Pot is a great choice when you want it to taste more fresh than reheating it in the microwave. Since it cooks with steam, it doesn't make things dry out. So if you're like reheating stuffing or mashed potatoes or rice, anything that needs a little bit of extra moisture, the Instant Pot is a great way to do it. So it cooked for the 3 minutes, and then it's been sitting on keep warm mode for 22 minutes. And in that time, I threw together a salad. I crisped up some bacon for the salad. I threw together a homemade ranch, sliced up a pineapple, and threw together a little fruit salad. And that is going to be dinner. It sat long enough that it natural pressure released. I didn't have to release any pressure, but everything is heated through, and dinner is served. As good as new, as good as fresh.